Welcome to today's session on net present value. In this session, we will understand the meaning of NPV, its importance in investment decisions, the calculation method, interpretation of results, and practical examples. NPV is a widely used technique in finance and investment analysis to determine whether a project or investment is profitable. It helps businesses compare the present value of future cash inflows with the initial investment made today. Net present value is the current value of all future cash flows generated from an investment after subtracting the initial investment amount. The concept is based on the time value of money, which means that money available today is more valuable than the same amount received in the future, because today's money can be invested and earn returns. The formula for NPV discounts future cash flows back to their present value using a discount rate, where CF represents future cash flow, R is the discount rate, T is the time period, and C0 is the initial investment. NPV is one of the most important tools used in capital budgeting and investment decisions. It helps organizations determine whether a project will add value to the business. The major advantage of NPV is that it considers future cash flows, risk through discounting, and the time value of money. Businesses use NPV to compare different investment opportunities and select the most profitable project. The basic decision rule is simple. If NPV is positive, accept the project. If NPV is negative, reject the project. If NPV is zero, the project breaks even. Now let us understand how to interpret NPV results. First, positive NPV. If NPV is greater than zero, it means the project's expected earnings are more than its cost. Such projects generally increase shareholder wealth and are considered profitable. Second, negative NPV. If NPV is less than zero, it means expected returns are lower than the required investment. In such cases, the project may lead to losses and is usually rejected. Third, zero NPV. If NPV equals zero, the project neither creates nor destroys value. The company may then consider strategic or non-financial factors before making a decision. Let us now understand NPV with a practical example. Suppose a company invests 10 lakh in a project. The project is expected to generate annual cash inflows of 2,50,000 for 5 years. The discount rate is 9%. First, we calculate the present value of each year's cash flow by discounting them using the formula. After calculating all present values, we add them together. The total present value of cash inflows comes to 9,72,413 rupees. Now we subtract the initial investment from the total present value. NPV equals to 9,72,413 rupees minus 10 lakh only equals to minus 27,587. The final NPV is a negative 27,587 rupees. This means the project may not generate sufficient returns to justify the investment, and therefore it may not be financially viable. To conclude, net present value is one of the most reliable methods for evaluating investments and projects. It helps businesses understand whether an investment will create value after considering the time value of money. The key points to remember are: positive NPV means profitable investment. Negative NPV means unprofitable investment. Zero NPV means break even. Because of its accuracy and practical usefulness, NPV is widely used in finance, banking, project, appraisal, and corporate decision making. Thanks for watching. I hope this session helped you understand the concept of net present value.